welcome to our channel, Plant with Us. My name is Wayne and my fiancée Morina. We stay a bush, you can see. It's just a few, like a squatter camp. So here we don't have any electricity. Um, we just try to be self-sufficient. Like we plant our own vegetables and try to make our own uh, electricity with a few power, solar power, and yeah, just to get the pot cooking. You know what I mean? If you stay like this where there's no electricity, you can't do nothing for yourself. You might have to rely on fire, and so we decided we're gonna make this channel for everyone to see how self-sufficient a person can be without electricity from Eskom, and just try to enjoy everything we've already have here. So as you can see here, we have a small garden that we are trying to get vegetables for our food supply. You can see the land, there's still nothing planted on, and we're gonna plant this piece with lots of vegetables. That is in the coming month or two. Then we're gonna see how it grows. But what I saw about this piece of land here is really fruitful. You can plant anything, it will grow. Like you can see here, here we planted a week and a half ago tomatoes. And you can see performing beautifully. 8 days and it looked like this. 8 days. Cut. Here we have planted a few months ago, 2 months ago, peppermint. You can see it's growing strongly. It's nice. This is for all your oh, it smells nice. You can put it in your, where do you put this stuff in? Same with perhaps. Huh?
On your drink of juice, everything. You can make food like potato salad.
Yeah, you can make food like you said. You heard you can make food like potato salad. You can put it in your drink. But yeah, this is about 2 months ago. We planted this. And look how beautiful it goes. That's actually, you can see it's spreads. It's not like staying in one place. It's spread all over. In and then in between you can see here we have spinach. How beautiful the spinach come. It grows beautiful. This is our spinach. This is our, we had the first spinach is like you cut the leaf, it goes back. That's what I saw. Because we planted this one spinach a few months ago. We cut off all the leaves. It is about 3 months ago. We cut off all the leaves, and this is our second spinach plant. The first spinach plant, but it's still growing. It's still growing. You can see. Here we have cauliflower. But unfortunately, as you can see, oh, this cauliflower is growing. But unfortunately, it's not so big. See, it's not so big. And what I see every morning is snails. If anyone has maybe a solution for the snails on your cauliflower, I would like you to comment down below so I can try your method. This is, like I said, this is cauliflower number 4, but we have already harvested 3 cauliflowers, and there's number 4. Here we have another one coming out beautifully, and there's still another 2 on that side, cauliflowers. Yeah, like I said, you can comment down below just to give me some idea um, how to prevent snails from attacking the cauliflower leaves. I will highly appreciate it, and I will try your method. Thank you. Last but not least, we have tomatoes. You can see, like I said, this is our first try to plant some vegetables. Never done it. This is the first time. So we are also learning the process. What vegetables to plant in what season. But as I can see, look there, there's a lot of tomatoes coming out. But I think I have planted too many seeds. Too many seeds. That's why this bush is so thick. But I try just to rotate every day, so it doesn't dry. I just hope that this tomatoes will grow perfectly and we can harvest it in maybe in a month and a half. Yeah, don't forget, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and ring the bell for notifications.